Hi! Today I'm making a rich, comforting roasted pumpkin soup, a warm, nourishing recipe that's perfect for cold winter days. And welcome to Cooking Show at Home. As always, you can find the full ingredient list in the description below. If you enjoy cozy, simple recipes like this one, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support my work. Let's get started. Start with about 1 pound of pumpkin or butternut squash. Peel it, remove the seeds, and cut it into 1-inch chunks. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil in a large skillet over medium heat. While the oil is heating, dice 1 medium carrot and 2 medium onions. Add the onions to the skillet and cook until soft and translucent. Next, peel and dice 2 medium potatoes and add them to the pan along with the carrot. Add the pumpkin chunks. Now dice 3 to 4 button mushrooms and 2 celery stalks and add them to the skillet. Smash and finely chop 2 to 3 garlic cloves and add those as well. Sauté everything together for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the vegetables begin to soften and release their aroma. Pour in 4 cups of hot, boiling water. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, then add half a teaspoon each of black pepper, coriander, smoked paprika, and cumin. Finish with a small pinch of freshly grated nutmeg. Just a little goes a long way. Reduce the heat and let the soup simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until all the vegetables are very soft and easy to pierce with a knife. While the soup is cooking, heat a dry pan and toast half a cup of pumpkin seeds. Toast for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring often until lightly browned and fragrant. Once the vegetables are cooked, transfer the soup to a blender or a pot suitable for blending. This helps protect the non-stick surface. Blend until smooth and creamy. Then garnish with fresh dill or parsley and the toasted pumpkin seeds. Finish with 1 teaspoon of heavy cream. Serve hot with croutons or toasted bread. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves cozy homemade soups. See you next time on Cooking Show at Home.